यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे श्रीगुरुं दीनदारिणं परमानन्दमाधवं श्रीचैतन्येश्वरं हरि ओं तत्सत् हरे कृष्णा. Welcome all dear devotees on behalf of ISKCON Mangaluru Kulai Temple and Namishra Prabhu. Hare Krishna. So today we will continue with our 11th chapter. God. Hare Krishna. So I hope my audio and video both no problem now. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Okay.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. My laptop is not, I am speaking from my mobile and sharing from laptop. Okay, Hare Krishna. We are seeing the Vishwarupa Darshana, right? 3 reasons we are seeing why Arjuna asked for Vishwarupa Darshana. That is, number 1, whatever Krishna told in the 10th chapter, he wanted him to show practically so that, number 1, anybody in future will not claim to be that they are the Supreme Personality of Godhead. And secondly, that people who are ignorant, I mean, who are not, people like us, we can say not ignorant, maybe people like us who are not transcendentally placed, we all will have an opportunity to have that Vishwarupa Darshanam. So for us, Arjuna is asking Krishna for us to show his Vishwarupa Darshanam. Correct? After this, all the slides are only the verses, purport somewhere, verse, translation and purport. So we can go very fast. We have more than 145 slides. So what we will do, I will read the verse wherever, if it is possible, I will read very fast so that you can read the translation. Okay, Hare Krishna. Ananya Mataji, are you ready? You will read the translation. Okay.
Yes, Mataji.
Hari Bol, Hare Krishna. अनेकबाहूर्वक्त्र नेत्रं पश्यामि त्वां सर्वतोन अनन्तरूपं नान्तं न मध्यं न पुनस्वदामीं पश्यामि विश्वेश्वर विश्वरूप. This we did yesterday, but we will revise. Yes, Mataji, go ahead.
Hare Krishna, Mataji. O Lord
Hare
of the
Krishna.
universe, O universal form, I see your body, many arms, bellies, mouth, and eyes expanded everywhere without limit. I see you, no end, no middle, and no beginning. Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Am I not able to hear, or everyone is not able to hear?
Yes, Mataji, your voice is coming.
Ananya Mataji, what she is saying, are you able to hear, all of you?
Yes, yes.
Oh, I couldn't hear. I don't know why.
Mataji, should I read one more time?
Yes, Mataji. I didn't hear anything.
Sorry, Mataji. O Lord of the universe, O universal form, I see your body, many arms, bellies, mouth, and eyes expanded everywhere without limit. I see you, no end, no middle, and no beginning. Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Hare Krishna. So, Adi Antam Madhyam. You know, he has no limit. There is no beginning, there is no end. Correct? Yeah, yes. Next also you can read Mataji, the translation. Kiritinam Gadinam Chakrinam Cha Tejo Rashim Sarvato Ditimantam Pashyami Tvam Dur Nirikshyam Samantam Deeptanalarka Dhyutim Aparameyam. Go
Your
ahead,
form is
Mataji.
your form is difficult to see because of its glaring effulgence spreading on all sides like blazing fire on or the invisible radiance of the sun. Yet I see this glowing form everywhere, adorned with various crowns, clubs, and discs. Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Hare Krishna. Thank you, Mataji. So that means because thousands of suns from on the body of the Vishwarupa, right? So he's saying he's not able to see. Tvamaksharam param veditavyam tvamasya vishwasya param nidhanam tvamaiva shashvatarma gopta sanatanastvam purusho mato me. Asha Mataji, Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Mataji. You are the supreme primal objective. You are the ultimate resting place of all this universe. You are inexhaustible and you are the oldest. You are the maintainer of the eternal religion, the supreme personality of Godhead. This is my opinion. Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna. Till here we did yesterday?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So now we will start today. Hari Bol, Hare Krishna. Welcome all dear devotees on behalf of ISKCON Mangaluru Kulai Temple and Mishra Prabhu by paying our obeisances at the lotus feet of Lord Radha Govinda. We'll start today's verses. Hare Krishna. Give me 1 minute. 20. Yeah. द्वावा पृथिव्योरिदमन्तरं हि व्याप्तं त्येकेन दिशश्च सार्वाः दृष्टाद्भुतं रूपमग्नं तवेदं लोकत्रयं प्रवस्थितं महात्मन्. हरे कृष्ण माताजी.
Hare Krishna. Although you are one, you are spread throughout the sky and the planets and all space between, O great one. Seeing this wondrous and terrible form, all the planetary systems are perturbed. Divyaye pravatyat pravatiyave. The space
Dhyava pravritibhyoga. Dhyava.
Okay, Alokatrayam, the three worlds, are significant words in this verse because it appears that not only did Arjuna see this universal form of the Lord, but others in other planetary systems saw it also. Arjuna's seeing of this universal form was not a dream. All whom the Lord endowed with a divine vision
Saw that universal form on the battlefield. So whoever was present there, everyone was able to see. And you know the beauty, apart from that, even the Devatas were also seeing. See, the thing was, Devatas were already in his body. And same, like the Devatas are seeing from outside and inside, we say, no, like that. The Devatas are seeing them in the body of Supreme Personality of Godhead. Hare Krishna. Ami hitvam surasanga vishanti kechid bhita panchalayo grinanti swasti yuktva magrishi siddha sanghaga swanti tvam studibhi pushkalabhihi. Yes, Mataji. Asha
Hare
Mataji.
Krishna. All the whole Hare Krishna Mataji. All the hosts of demigods are surrendering before you and entering onto you. Some of them, very much afraid, are offering prayers with folded hands. Hosts of great sages and perfected beings praying all peace are praying to you by singing the Vedic hymns. The demigods in all the planetary systems feared the terrific manifestation of the universal form and its glaring effulgence and so prayed for protection. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. See, demigods were feared because Arjuna got the divine Sakshu, right? Not the Premanjana. Demigods may be having the Premanjana Sakshu, so they are not able to, because they have the love for Godhead, right? So with that eyes, they are not able to see this manifestation. So for them, they are very, very feared. It is so beautiful, it tells that special divine eyes is required. Yes, Mataji, continue.
Hare Krishna Mataji. Although you are one, you spread throughout the sky and the planets and space between. O great one, as I behold this terrible form, I see that all planetary systems are perplexed. 11.21 All the demigods are surrendering and entering onto you. They are very much afraid, and with folded hands they are singing the Vedic hymns. 11.22 All the various manifestation of Lord Shiva, the Adityas, the Vasus, the Sandhyas, the Sadhyas, the Vishwadevas, the two Ashvis, the Maruts, the forefathers, the Gandharvas, the Yakshas, the Asuras, and the perfected demigods are beholding you in wonder. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Because yesterday we saw that the Lord has not shown this form to anybody before this, right? The previously, whatever he had shown, the Vishwarupam was partial Vishwarupam. That's one in Duryodhana Sabha, and another one was to Yashoda Maya. Isn't it? Yeah. Now next translation, Loknath Prabhu, you can go. Rupam Mahate Bhagavat नेत्रं महाबाहो बहुबाहुरुपादं बहूदरं बहुदंश्राकरालं दृष्ट्वा लोका प्रव्यथितास्तथाहम्
दृष्ट्वा लोका प्रव्यथितस्तथाहम्. O mighty one, all the planets with their demigods are disturbed at seeing your great form, with its many faces, eyes, arms, thighs, legs, and bellies, and your many terrible teeth. And as they are disturbed, so am I.
Hare Krishna. Thank you, Prabhuji. Your next also, I will read 1 minute. Till 19th, we had that Vishwarupa. From there, slowly, gradually, the Kala Rupa has started come. What is Kala Rupa? Kala Rupa is very, very fearful. Now that pleasing form of the Lord is now from 20th onwards, he is describing as that Kala Rupa, the Bhagavan's Kala Rupa. Okay, Hare Krishna. 1 second, next slide. Right? See him. See, fire is entering into Lord's mouth. Did we read previous one? Did we read 23? I think we finished. Yeah. Okay, next, before 24. Fire is entering and it is coming. Whatever, just now we saw, no? Adityas and Rakshas, Rakshasas, Yakshas, everybody is seen in his body. So according to their, whichever form they are, it is shown in his Vishwarupa. नभस्पृशं दीप्तमनेकवर्णं व्यातानं दीप्तिविशालनेत्रं दृष्ट्वा हि त्वां प्रव्यथितान्तरात्मा धृतिं न विन्दामि क्षमं स विष्णु. हरे कृष्ण. प्रभुजी. Loknath Prabhu, all pervading.
Yes, Mataji. All pervading Vishnu, seeing you with your many radiant colors touching the sky, your gaping mouths and your great glowing eyes. My mind is perturbed by fear. I can no longer maintain my steadiness or equilibrium of mind.
I can no longer maintain my steadiness or equilibrium of my mind. So I am losing my steadiness. He's saying for a long time I have been holding this. Now your Rupam is becoming little fearful. So I don't think I'll be able to withhold this. This is what Arjuna is telling Krishna. And you see that Rupam now? Yes. Swami Shri Mataji, Hare Krishna. Read the translation, Mataji. It's again shown. 23 is we are going back. But anyway, read it, Mataji. Hare Krishna, Swami Shri Mataji. Please, all of you daily fill the attendance form. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Mataji, may I?
Yeah, go ahead, Mataji.
O mighty armed one, all the planets with their demigods are disturbed at seeing your many faces, eyes, arms, bellies, the legs, and your terrible teeth. And as they are disturbed, so I am. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Thank you, Mataji. This we have seen already. 24 also finished.
O all pervading Vishnu, I can no longer maintain my equilibrium. Seeing your radiant colors fill the skies and beholding your eyes and mouths, I am afraid.
I think there is some mismatch from the translation in the book here. Maybe they might have selected and put the important ones. Yes, this is a very important verse, and I mean important in the sense very, what to say, it's very fearful. Damsha karalani Damsha karalani chate mukani drishvaiva kalan alasinni bhani दिशो न जाने न लभे च शर्मा प्रसीद देवेश जगन्निवास. Subhashri Mataji, are you there? Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna,
Yes,
Mataji.
Mataji.
Mataji, attending that attendance. I was putting attendance.
Oh, no problem, Mataji.
Hare Krishna. O Lord of Lords, O refuge of the worlds, please be gracious to me. I cannot keep my balance, seeing thus your blazing, death-like faces and awful teeth. In all directions, directions, I am bewildered. Hare
So
Krishna.
we can, Hare Krishna, we can imagine, no?
Ah,
And because, when the Lord and even the other people are also showing their teeth who are in the body of Vishwarupa, no? So it's really fearful. Hare Krishna. Yes. Ami Chatvam Dhritarashtrasya Putraga Sarve Sahaivaavani Pala Sangaha Bhishmo Drona Suta Putrastataso Sahas Sahasmi Dairayarapi Yodamukaihi वक्त्राणि त्वे त्वरमाणमिषन्ति द्रंशा करालानि भयानकानि केचिद्विलग्ना दशनान्तुरेषु सन्दृश्यन्ते चूर्णितैरुत्माङ्गैः हरे कृष्णा यस माताजी गो अहेड सुभाष
all the
माताजी
sons of Dhritarashtra, along with their allied kings, and Bhishma, Drona, Karna, and our chief soldiers also, are rushing into your fearful mouths. And some I see trapped with heads smashed between your teeth. Annihilation of Bhishma, Drona, Karna, and all the sons of Dhritarashtra and their soldiers and Arjuna's own soldiers is an indication that Arjuna will emerge victorious. Even the unconquerable Bhishma will be ashamed. So also Karna. Hare Krishna.
हरे कृष्णा See, nobody from there is going to be pardoned. Is it not? And they deserve it. We have seen now that 6 kind of aggressors should be killed. So they have done everything. Kidnapping others' wife and putting fire and what is that? Kadapna. We say no, taking others' properties, all kind of aggression activity they have done. But the thing is, even whatever it is, Bhishma Pitama is such a, unconquerable soldier. But because Krishna is there with the Pandavas, with Krishna's mercy, they were able to win over him. And you see, all are smashed. Some of them are trapped between the two jaws, right? And even also Karna. So in Mahabharata, we all might have read already how Karna leaves his body. Is it not? Okay. Yes. Next. Yata nadinam bhagavombuvegaha samudramevaabhimukha dravanti tata tamami narlokavira vishanti vaktranya bhibijwalanti. Hare Krishna. Yes, Mataji. Subhashi Mataji. As many waves of that.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
As many waves of the rivers flow into the ocean, so do
As
all these great warriors. Yes, Mataji, read.
As the many waves of the rivers flow into the ocean, so do all these great warriors enter blazing into your mouths. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Thank you, Mataji. Next, I think Ritvika Mataji is not there. Vamshidhar Prabhu. Hare Krishna. Next slide. Yes, Prabhuji. Hare Krishna. Go ahead, Prabhu. 26. Again, we have gone to 26 and 27. Give me a minute. We just now finished 29. 1 second. 28 is over. Now 29. This also we have finished. Yeah. Vamshidhar Prabhu, are you available?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay. Legisya segrasamanat samanta lokan samagran vadairnajwaladbhi tejo virapurva jagat samagram vasastavograha pratapanti Vishnu. Hare Krishna Prabhu. O Vishnu. Vamshidhar Prabhu, Hare Krishna.
Yes, I am. Okay. Oh Vishnu, I see you are devouring all people from all sides with your flaming mouth, covering all. Next.
Covering all the universes with your effulgence. You are manifest with a terrible scorching rays. See, manifested with this terrible scorching rays. Because again, the effulgence, right? Lord's effulgence. Yes. Akya himeko bhavanugrupo namostu te deva varaprasida vijñātumiccāmi bhavantamadhyam nagi prajanami tava pravrittim. Hare Krishna. Go ahead, Prabhu.
O Lord of the Lords, O Paris form, please tell me who you are. I offer my obeisance unto you. Mataji, what is here? I'm unable to see.
Okay. Please be gracious to me. You
Uh,
are the
You
Pramila
are
Lord.
you are a primal Lord. I wanted to know about you, for I do not know.
What your mission is. For I do not know what your mission is. Yes, Prabhu, continue. Read this.
The universal form.
Arjuna, in great fear, ask 2 questions now.
Yeah, Arjuna's question: who are you? What is your mission? Why Arjuna asked these questions? Arjuna knew Krishna as his friend, supreme personality of Godhead, but he was puzzled by various forms exhibited by Krishna.
Hare Krishna, because he already told, no, I'm losing my balance. So he is not able to understand. Because for him, Krishna was his close friend. Okay, when Bhagavad Gita started, he accepted him as Guru, his spiritual master. But after seeing, even the Devatas are perplexed. Is it not? So obviously Arjuna is also perplexed. He doesn't know what is he asking, what is he saying. But yes, he is asking sensible questions which we all need to know. Is it not? Okay. Shri Bhagavan Uvacha Kalosmik Lokakshaya Krit Pridviddo Lokan Samahartitumiha Pravrittaka Rite Pitvam Na Bhavishyanti Sarve Eva Stita Pratyanikeshu Yodhaha. Hare Krishna Prabhu.
Yes, ma'am. The Supreme Personality of Godhead said, "Time I am the great destroyer of the world, and I have come here destroy all people, with the exception of you, the Pandavas. All the soldiers here on both sides will be slain."
Hare Krishna. Thank you, Prabhuji. I think Viraj Prabhu is also not there. Okay, fine. So now we will go back to Ananya Mataji. Okay, Mataji. She next slide. Yes, yes, Mataji, go ahead. Ananya Mataji. My slide has gone. My
No,
screen share is
Mataji.
still there. No. Hare
It's the
Krishna.
previous one, Mataji.
It's the previous one. 1 minute, Mataji. I think I have gone out of my network. Is it not? Yes. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Difficult for me to share from my mobile. Struggling so much today. I have 2 dongles, both are not working. Is it possible? Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Now there will be no problem. I think so. Power went, I think 2, 3 times. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. I'm just joining. Let me make myself. Who is the host now? I don't know. Okay. I can make myself host. Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Yes. Co-host. Yes. Hare Krishna. Yes. Are you all able to see now? You just confirm it. Hare Krishna.
Yes, Mataji, you can see.
The slide, is it visible?
No, Mataji, no. Just
No?
loading right now.
Okay. Hari Bol, Hare Krishna. Finally. Now in this connection, there will be no problem. Yes, Ananya Mataji, go ahead. 11.32.
Mataji, okay. 11.32 The blessed Lord said, Time I am destroyer of the worlds, and I have come to engage all peoples with the expectation of you, the with the exception of you, the Pandavas. All the soldiers here on both sides will be slain. Hare
Hari
Krishna Mataji.
Bol. So, Hare Krishna. Continue, Mataji. Actually, see, except the Pandavas. Pandavas, that Abhimanyu also is not going to be there. Other children are also not going to be there. Everyone is slain. Hare Krishna. Read Mataji, Hare Krishna. Why
Mataji,
it's
it's same.
so slow? I know,
Yes.
Mataji. So slow it is coming.
Yes. After seeing the terrible form of Vishvarupa, Arjuna asked Krishna about the purpose, mission of the devastating force. This form of the Supreme Lord is all-devouring giant, eventually devouring all, the Brahmanas, Kshatriya, and all except for the few Pandavas. Krishna presents himself in the form of all-devouring time. Arjuna is saying here the Kalparupa of Sri Krishna,
Kala Rupa.
Kala Rupa of the Krishna, Kala Rupa of the Sri Krishna, that is his form of as all-devouring time. The marching out onslaught of the time consumes even the greatest of the personalities, including the celestial gods. Arjuna sees him. Arjuna sees them entering in the universal form with folded hands in subservience to the Kala Rupa of God.
Of the
Hare Krishna
gods.
Mata.
Hare Krishna. Thank you, Mataji. Next, Viraj Prabhu, you can read. We didn't see you. That's why we went. Viraj Prabhu, are you there? Is he there now? Hare Krishna. I saw him just now. Yes, he is there. Viraj Prabhu, are you in a position to read? So this Kala Rupa is very, very fearful. No one can win over the time, isn't it? Kala. So the Lord says, I am Kalosmi. Just now he said, right? So Bhagavad Gita 5 subject. What are the subjects? 5 subjects of Bhagavad Gita?
Ishvara,
Mm.
Jiva,
Mm.
rest I don't know.
Then all Ishvara, first then Jiva, then Karma. That is action. Karma, then nature, material nature, Prakriti, then last is Kala, time. So these are the main subjects of Bhagavad Gita, right? We have discussed many times. Yes, Prabhu, go and Viraj Prabhu, you can read. This we have read, right? Yeah, go ahead from this.
After seeing the terrible form of, at the same time, he sees sages and perfected souls extolling the Lord with their thoughts, words, and deeds. To Arjuna, who did not want to fight, the Lord tells him that even if he did not fight, every one of them would be destroyed, for that was his plan. If Arjuna stopped fighting, they would die in another way. Their death could not be stopped. In fact, they were already dead. Time is destruction. They that all manifestations are to be vanquished by the desire of Supreme Lord is the law of nature.
Hare Krishna. Thank you, Prabhuji. Rakhe Krishna, Mare Krishna, Rakhe. Is it possible if we want to kill somebody, sorry, the Lord wants to save somebody, nobody can stop. At the same time, if the Lord wants to vanquish anybody, No one could stop. Is it not? So Lord is saying here, I have already decided. Whatever is the result, what is going to happen is decided. So if you do it, it's good. Otherwise, the result is out. So if you fight listening to my words, the credit will come to you. Otherwise, also, Krishna never wants credit for himself, right? See, after winning this Kurukshetra war, also he gave the kingdom to Yudhishthir and came. And similarly, when he in Mathura, there also he gave it to Kansa's father, is it not? And he did not want to rule at all. He doesn't want, wherever he wins, he does not want to rule the kingdom. He gives to the legal heirs, their children. Okay, the Lord does not want anything. What does he want? What does the Lord want?
Dharma Mataji, Hare Krishna.
Dharma can be defined according to our own definition, Prabhuji. No. Dharma is defined in Vedas also. He doesn't want that to be followed. He wants 4 things. Bhagavad Gita, 8 point. 8 point, sorry. Patram Pushpam Palam Toyam. Yome, 9th chapter, 26th verse. Patram Pushpam Palam Toyam. Yome Bhaktya Prayachati. Bhaktya Prayachati. That means loving
That is for
devotional service.
devotees, right, Mataji, who worship Lord. So Lord.
Loving devotional service. That's all.
Yes.
He wants our loving devotional service. Okay. Yes, Prabhu. Tell me what were you saying? He wants simple patram. One tulsi leaf.
Yes, Mataji.
Pushpam. One fruit. One toyam. That too, even if you give as a formality. Oh, I need to give because Veda it is prescribed that you offer something to the Lord. Like that also you do, no problem. Slowly, gradually, you will get the loving devotional service. 3.26. 3.26, do you remember? What is that word? See, even if anybody does the karmic activity, without any intention also. Na buddhi bedam jayed, ajnanam karma sangina. So what does the Lord say? Don't compel anybody. Automatically, they will start worshipping me with love. This is what Krishna tells, is it not? So he doesn't want anything else. Shabari, he accepted the tasted fruits. From Vidurani, he accepted the banana peels. So he doesn't want anything for himself. But he wants a loving akaituki and apratihata. He wants only loving devotional service. Okay? But he says dharma projita kaitavotra paramo. He says dharma kaitavotra parama. That dharma I don't want. What does he want? Bhagavata dharma. The second verse of Bhagavatam, first canto, first chapter, second verse. Dharma projita kaitavotra paramo. Nirmatsaranam satam. Vedyam vastavamatra vastu shivadam. Tapatrayon mulanam. If we do that, what will happen? We all will be relieved from tapatraya. What are the tapatraya? What are the threefold miseries? Tapatraya. Tapatraya unmulanam. If we follow Bhagavata Dharma, the threefold miseries will be unmulanam. What is that? Uprooted. We will not have to go through the threefold miseries. What are they?
Adhyatmik, Adi Bhautik, Adi Devik.
Hari Bol, yes. Adhyatmik, Adi Bhautik and Adi Daivik. So for that, the Lord wants us to follow not simple Dharma. Specifically, we have to say Bhagavata Dharma. Okay, Hare Krishna. Yes. Next. Viraj Prabhu, you can continue. I will read the verse. Tasmat Tvamuttishta Yasholabhasva Jitva Shatrun Bhukshva Rajam Samurdham Mayaivaite Nigita Purvameva Nimitta Matram Bhava Savya Sachin. Hare Krishna.
Therefore, get up and prepare to fight. After conquering your enemies, you will enjoy
Flourishing kingdom.
Remember, there is a word after enjoy that is like
Yeah,
merged
flourishing.
with
No, enjoy a flourishing kingdom.
No, ma'am, there is a word after enjoy in the same line.
A for apple. Enjoy a
Oh,
flourishing kingdom.
enjoy a flourishing kingdom. They are already put to death by my arrangement, and you, O Savyastin, can be but an instrument in the fight.
Hare Krishna.
Correct.
Very, very important verse. This verse is extremely important. What is Savyasachin? Savyasachin means a person who is expert. No one can beat him in that Dhanurvidya. Right? He is known as Savyasachin. He can see one in one direction. If, for example, Arjuna is seeing towards east, but he can shot the arrows all 10 directions. So that is known as Savyasachin. So Krishna is saying, I have already killed everybody except the Pandavas. I want you to be an instrument in the fight. I need, because the Lord, even if the Lord does it, people will not believe, no? How it happened, they will say, like tsunami came. Who will believe it was Lord's arrangement? Nobody will believe. Some reason or the material reason they will say. They will not say the Lord wanted, like here in the Kurukshetra war, the Lord wanted to kill all the Vrishnis. Why? The Devatas went to Brahma to reduce the Bhumi Bhara. The Bhumi has become very, very heavy with all those irreligious people, adharmic. So they went. Then Brahma told, it's not in my hand. So let us all go to the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Narayana, Vishnu, Shri Krishna. So they went. So Lord said, don't worry, I myself will come. That is why he himself came. Vadanti tat vidastatvam vijnanamadvayam brahmeti paramatmeti bhagavan iti shaktate. So that Bhagavan, one who has the realization of Bhagavan, they only can understand this. So other two realization, Brahman, effulgent, Paramatma realization, these people cannot understand the Bhagavan Rupam. They all believe, the others believe in the impersonal form of Krishna, isn't it? So Krishna needs a person. It's not needs. He selects a person to implement his action. So here he is telling Arjuna, oh Arjuna, you are an instrument, so you can now I have selected you to perform my fight to kill everybody. Hare Krishna, yes. Ananya Mataji has read. Asha Mataji, go ahead.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare
Savyasachin is
Krishna.
referred to mean Arjuna, one who can shoot arrows very expertly in the fields. Krishna wants Arjuna to become just as an instrument. It is nimitta matram. The people Krishna wants Arjuna to fight and kill have already been slain by the lords as per his plan. Every event happens according to the plan of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. There is a specific plan being carried out in this material world. This cosmic manifestation is a chance for the conditioned soul to go back home to Godhead. All whom the Lord kill are liberated. Instead of lording over material nature, one must be intelligent enough to understand the plan of Supreme Personality and cultivate Krishna consciousness. Just as creation and destruction of the cosmic manifestation are under the superior guidance of God, the battle of Kurukshetra too was fought according to the plan of God. Arjuna was told to fight as per the desire of the Supreme Lord to make him happy. Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna. Thank you, Mataji. So that is why we said, no, all these people will be liberated in that reason in the second chapter. When Arjuna asked all the questions, if you see the previous 2-3 slides, questions also are repeated, right? Arjuna will say, no, anyway, I am not going to enjoy. Even if Arjuna says there is no enjoyment. Out of the 5 reasons, what are the 5 reasons? Do you still remember? What are the 5 reasons Arjuna was lamenting, telling Krishna, I don't want to fight?
It is family tradition and
Correct.
indecision. It is
Okay,
Sin,
last one is indecision. Yeah.
indecision
First one
and
is compassion.
compassion. Yes.
Arjuna says, no, my gurus, all my swajanam, right? How can I fight against them? Compassion. Then
sin,
sin, correct, yeah. Then Third one is no enjoyment. That's what we saw just now. Oh, Arjuna, I have done all the work for you. You simply become an instrument and win over the kingdom. You will have a kingdom, beautiful kingdom to enjoy. So Krishna told that time, you remember, oh, Arjuna, how come you are saying no enjoyment? If you die, whoever is killed in my presence will be liberated. So you will go to Swargaloka. If not, you will have a beautiful kingdom. Remember, so that's what. And here, liberated. Here means they all will go to Swargaloka. That all planet we saw in the Vishwarupam, right? 14 planet. So these people who leave their soul, those souls will go to higher planetary system, Swargaloka. Okay, Hare Krishna. So Arjuna was told to fight now. Without any, see, we should not have, whatever the Lord says, we should simply follow. We should not use our analytical, logical brain at all. Intelligence should be used. Simply, it should be surrendered at the lotus feet of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. So, because we all are subject to 4 defects. Any human being you take, our intelligence, everything is subject to 4 defects, right? What are those defects? Hare Krishna.
Our sense are not
imperfect senses, correct. Then we are illusion. We live always in Maya. Because of the Maya and the imperfect senses, what do? We always commit mistakes.
Prone to mistake, Mataji.
Haribol, prone to mistake. We always commit mistake. Since we commit mistake, with our intelligence, we try to hide it. So that is the last one. That means what? Cheating propensity. We all have cheating propensity also. And illusion, imperfect senses, subject to committing mistakes, and cheating propensity. So Krishna is saying that is why don't use your intelligence. Simply surrender. We have to all the lesson is nothing but surrender to the Supreme Person, surrender to the spiritual master, actually speaking. Anna, see that people will be liberated. That's whom do you remember the first? Who is that? First. So many asuras Krishna killed, no? Who was the first one to come?
Putana.
Bhutana. So the beautiful verse in Bhagavatam 3rd canto 2nd chapter 23rd verse. Aho bakiyam stanakala kutam. She smeared the poison on her breast and she came. But still, labegatim datra ichitam tatonyam. Krishna gave her liberation, not only liberation. He said, only Krishna, two asuras were sent to Krishna's dham because Krishna accepted her as a mother. Since she fed milk to Krishna, Krishna accepted her as mother. She gave the mother's sthanam to her. That is why labegatim dhatra vichitam tatonyam. So, but the other people who all were other asuras, who were all killed, were sent to higher planetary system. Okay, that is Swargaloka. Hare Krishna. Next is Loknath Prabhu. Yeah, 34. Dronam cha Bhishma cha Jayadratha cha Karnam tatanyanapi yodha viran mayatastvam jagimam yavittishta yudhyasva jetasi rane sapanna. Yes, Prabhu. Loknath Prabhu.
Radha, Karna, and other great warriors have already been destroyed by me. Therefore, kill them and do not be disturbed. Simply fight and will vanquish your enemies in battle. Bhagavad Gita 11.84.
Hare Krishna, Hari Bol. So, nobody is left. Anna? Everybody had been vanquished. Continue, Prabhu.
The Lord is so kind and merciful to his devotees that he wants to give the credit to his devotees who carry out his plan according to his desire. Since everything happens according to the Lord's plan, one should understand the plans of the Supreme Personality of Godhead through guidance of the spiritual master. Follow the plans and succeed in the struggle for existence.
Hare Krishna. So, we have to accept whatever happens. We don't know what is even good for us. Krishna knows the best for us. So whatever plan he is sending, we have to simply surrender to him. That is the only way to be happy. Is it not? But Krishna does not come all the time by himself. He sends his representative, spiritual master. So tadvidi pranipatena pariprashnena sevayam. Upateshanti te jnanam jnani tattvadarshinaha. These spiritual masters are tattvadarshis. So we have to approach them and pariprashnena sevaya. Humbly we have to ask them question. What question? How many houses I will have? When will I change my car? Not those questions. When will my grandchildren get job? When will they get married? This asha, this what do you call that? What is that? Attachment. It doesn't go at all, right? Even after getting grandchildren. So we should not ask Guru about that. Even we should not ask Guru about their health also. That's all material. We should ask Guru, how can I say, serve you, Guru? What are all the instructions for me to spread your mission? Like that, we have to ask Guru questions, okay? And Guru will tell us. Once Guru tells us, nothing turning back and see. See our Srila Prabhupada, at the age of 70, he came that actually Srila Prabhupada has met his spiritual master Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur only couple of times. Not very close association. But you know, he came in the dream and told twice to Srila Prabhupada, Paschatya Desha Tarine. Go to Paschatya Desha and Tarine. What is Tarna? Tarna. Help those people to cross this material ocean. They all are entangled in the material happiness, thinking. Actually, material miseries are only with them. So that is what, you know, that beautiful one verse is there, no? Ajnan ko jnan, anitya ko nitya. We try and understand. That is the body is nitya. That is perishable. But we think the body is anitya and the soul is nitya. Like that we think, no? So that is what. So follow the plan. If we follow Krishna's plan, then as I just now told, Rakhe Krishna, Mare Krishna, Rakhe. That we have to remember, that's all. Even if we try to change. So how will we come to know this is a plan? Like whatever comes on our way, no, we should not try to change. It doesn't mean that, oh, Mataji, we will not study only. Krishna has already written that I have to fail. How will we know? We can't do that. Endeavor. See, Yashoda Maya tried to bind Krishna. And the whole day Shodamaya was running. But finally, she was able to tie. So what are the, see, whenever she tried new rope, what were the two reasons that she was not able to tie? Anybody knows? We have discussed. To that finger, it will come short, you know, what those two finger gap represents. It's one is our endeavor, another one is Lord's mercy. So Lord sees our endeavor. If we don't give up, Lord showers his mercy. So every time she added new rope, the exactly 2-finger gap will be there to tie him. So finally, when Krishna saw on the Diwali day, Yashodamaya, at that age, running behind him, without time in saw her endeavor, then Krishna blessed her mercy. He stopped. He only gave the rope to her. He told Maya, kya chahte ho akhir? You want to bind me? Bind me. Krishna band gaye. It's not that she tied. Nobody can tie, isn't it? But in her love, in Yashoda Maya's love, Krishna surrendered to her love. This is what you see. Hare Krishna. Yes. Now who read? Loknath Prabhu read, right? What is the time? I don't know. I will have to go.
From text 32, Krishna's answers to Arjuna's question.
Yes,
Time,
Prabhu.
Kala Rupa, mission.
To destroy everything. Light is coming in.
Except Pandavas.
Except Pandavas, already all people have been
destroyed.
Yes. Yes, Prabhu.
Indicates even if Arjuna did not want to fight, they will die anyway. Krishna Upanishad, all Brahmanas, Kshatriyas, and everyone else are devout like a meal by the Supreme as the all devouring giant.
Hare Krishna. It's all like a meal. There was one, what is his name? No, there is Ba only it comes up. That when this Pandavas were in the forest, they had to stay in the night time. They stayed in one Mataji's house. That Mataji had only one son. Anna, Bhaumaswara. Yeah, Bhaumaswara. So that Mataji, actually he was eating tons and tons, all the animals and the village people, they all were so fed up. Nothing will be left, even Bhamasura only later in future. So they all went to him and told, you don't eat like this. We all will have in turn. We will send so that you will have meal for a long time. So that Mataji was crying. Then these people asked, Kunti Devi asked, why, what happened? Why are you crying? She said, my turn, my house turn. My son has to go to Bhamasura today, taking night meals for him. And nobody comes back. Whatever they take, Bhamasura will eat that also, and he will eat the person also. So that's what, it's like a devoured meal. All giants eat, no? So finally, she only tells Bhima, oh, Bhima, you go. She knows about Bhima. So Bhima goes, and Bhima kills him. And, in fact, before he came, Bhima finished all the food also. Bhamasura came with so much of, what to say, he was so angry. And finally, yes, both of them fought, and who won? Bhima won and brought the cart back for the first time. People were so happy. Yes, Hare Krishna, Vamshidhar Prabhu, sorry, Soumya Mata, Soumya Shri Mataji. Go ahead.
Hare Krishna Mataji. The universal form, text 33. Krishna, I have already destroyed all your enemies. Become my instrument and fight, win glory. Sabyasachi means one who fights ambidextrously, that is with the left or right hand. Nimitta matram, become an instrument. Sign of
So that is
intelligence.
Savasaya Sachi, I told, no, with both the hands, all 10 direction, he is able to shoot arrows.
Sign of intelligence to recognize that the whole world is moving uh, under the uh, Mataji, I can't see that word.
Yes, Mataji, but
Under
all are
the
foolish ideas.
fool's mentality, no plan behind the creation, all are accidental formations. Scientists says perhaps or maybe, but all are foolish ideas. Arjuna's motivation fulfill Lord's desire. Lord's plan very specific in material world. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Thank you, Mataji.
Welcome.
Yes, Arjuna's prayer. 35. Now we are going to the last session. So now Arjuna starts praying. Till now it was all, Sanjay was telling. Sanjay was also able to see his, what do you call that? Sukriti. Anna, this is Sanjay's Sukriti. He also could see. Okay, one second. So Arjuna is trembling finally and praying the Lord. Arjuna then begs forgiveness for his offenses because he is telling the Lord, oh Krishna, I have eaten in the same plate with you, I have played with you, I have cheated you, we have slept together. All those things he is saying, and he is now asking for forgiveness. Arjuna fearfully requests Krishna to again reveal his two-armed form. This is what is very, very important. And then Vishnu Rupa also he shows. Finally, Arjuna wants the two-armed form. Yes, Vamshidhar Prabhu, you can read now. This is verse number 30. Sanjaya Uvacha. Sanjaya Uvacha. एतत् श्रुत्वा वचनं केशवस्य कृताञ्जलिर्वेपमानकीर्तिः नमस्कृत्वा भूय एवाङ् कृष्णं सगद्वगदं भीतः प्रणम्य हरे कृष्णा यस प्रभु
Hare Krishna Mataji. Sanjay said, Dhritarashtra, O king, after hearing these words from the Supreme Personality of Godhead, the trembling Arjuna offered obeisance, folded hands. Again and again, he fearfully spoke to Lord Krishna in a faltering voice as
faltering voice. Gadgada. Sir,
Faltering
Gadgadam
voice.
beata, right? So Gadgada voice is Nalanam Nainam Galada Srudaraya Vadanam Gadgada Rudaya Gira. Where does it come? Which shloka is this? Nayanam Galada Srudaraya Vadanam Gadgada Rudaya Gira. पुलकैर्वपूर्णवं निशिकदा तव नाम ग्रहणे भविष्यति. Yes, Shishtastakam. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's only Shishtastakam is with us. All other things, what he wrote, he himself, what to say, put it in river Ganges. Actually, he was going in a boat with another Acharya. Okay, so while going, that Acharya had a feeling. He said, "Oh Mahaprabhu, we have also written so many scriptures, but in front of your scripture, who will read our scriptures?" Like that he told. Immediately Mahaprabhu dropped all the scriptures, what he wrote in the Ganga water, because he did not want his devotees to feel that way. So only Shishta Ashtakam, 8 verses. Okay, it's beautiful verse, Shishta Ashtakam, that is. That every day in the morning, after the Mangalarti, after the Narsima prayer, after the Tulsi Arati, first everybody reads Shishtastakam only. Okay, Hare Krishna. Every temple, in every temple it is a, what is that, ritual. So Shishtastakam will be read first, and then the 10 offenses will be read. After that, the chanting starts. And chanting finishes before 7 o'clock. That 1.5 hour, 5:30 to 7, and 7 o'clock the darshan arati starts. Hare Krishna. Yes. Arjuna uvacha sthane rishikesha tava prakritya jagat prakashyat yanurajyate cha rakshansi bhitani disho dravanti sarve namasyanti cha siddha sanghaha. Hare Krishna Prabhu, continue.
Arjuna said, O master of senses, the world become joyful upon hearing your name, and thus everyone become attached to you all through the perfect being offer you their respectfully homage. The demons are afraid, and they feel here and there. All this is rightly done.
Hare Krishna. So Arjuna is finally saying he is coming to his senses actually. So it is given, oh master of senses, Rishikesha. Rishikesha, Rishi, that was, what is that, nectar of devotion. Sarvopadi vinirmuktam tatparatvena nirmalam. Rishikena Rishikesha sevanam. Rishikena means with all our senses. Rishikesha means to the controller of senses. Sevanam, we have to serve him. That is Bhakti Uchyate. So all the senses that should be utilizing the service of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Yesterday we saw Savaimana Krishna, Amrisha Maharaj. Today we can see that Vani Gunanukatane, Vani Gunanukatane, Shravanavkataya, ears should hear your katha. Hastau Chakarmasu Hasta. That hands should be used only for karmasu, your service. Manastva pada yornaha. Man should be at your lotus feet. Pada should come to your temple to have your darshan. Bhagavatam says. Hare Krishna. Beautiful verses are there in Bhagavatam. Yes, Viraj Prabhu, are you there? Hare Krishna.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Hare Krishna.
yes, Prabhuji, read.
Arjuna, after hearing from Krishna about the outcome of battle of Kurukshetra, became enlightened, and as a devotee of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, he said that everything done by Krishna is quite fit. Arjuna confirmed that Krishna is the maintainer and the object of worship for devotees and the destroyer of the undesirables. His actions are equally good for all. Arjuna understand herein that when the battle of Kurukshetra was being concluded, in outer space there were present many demigods, siddhas, and the intelligent Sia of the higher planets, and they were observing the fight because Krishna was present there. When Arjuna, universal lord, the demigods took pleasure, but others, wounds and atheists, could not stand it was praised of their natural fear of devastating from the Supreme Personality of Godhead. They felt Krishna's treatment of the devotees and the aesthetic praised by Arjuna. In all cases, a devotee glorifies the Lord because he knows that whatever he good for all. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. This he tells in 9th chapter. You remember that? What is that? Samogam sarveshu bhuteshu name dvesho na asti priyah. Na asti. There is no dear or dvesha. And I am equal to everybody. But why it seems that he is not equal? Ye tamam prapadyante. How much ever we endeavor, accordingly he will reciprocate. Otherwise, the Lord is equal to atheist also. Atheist also he gives water. Atheist also he gives air to breathe. Atheist also he had given all the senses. It is their free will they are not employing in the service of the Lord. Is it not? But at the same time, those who are devotees, they employ all their senses 24/7 in the service of Supreme Personality of Godhead. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Tomorrow we'll start from 37. Most probably we will finish tomorrow. Vancha kalpatarubhyasya kripa sindhubhaya vacha patitanam pavanebhyo Vaishnavebhyo namo namaha. Anantapuri Vaishnavinde ki jai. Srila Prabhupada ki jai. Srimad Bhagavad Gita ki
Jai.
jai. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu ki
Jai
jai.
Jai.
Vamanacha Prabhu ki
Jai.
jai. All glories to assembled devotees.
Hare
Hare
Krishna.
Krishna. All glories to assembled devotees. Hare
Hare
Krishna.
Krishna.
All glories to Guru and Gauranga. Hari Bol. Hare Krishna. Thank you so much, dear devotee. I thank every one of you on behalf of ISKCON Mangaluru Kulai Temple. Hare Krishna. How come that live is not shown here, but a live is coming?
Showing Mataji, you are in live.
Live is showing, but I'm not able to end live. I think live may be going 1 second. Okay, I'll end the meeting. Yes, anybody having any doubt?
Hare Krishna
Hare-
Mataji.
Yes, Mataji.
Mataji, in 34th verse,
Hmm.
no, it is not in 34th. 1 second. In 27th, 26th, 27th verse,
Okay,
Arjuna is
Mataji.
addressing Karna as Sutaputra,
Hmm.
right? Bhishmo Drona Sutraputras Tatasau. That's what it
Okay,
is written.
okay.
After giving Divya Drushti, still he is lamenting, still his Gnana Drushti disappeared here. Why is it so, Mataji?
No, I didn't get your Mataji. Come again.
So here, Arjuna is addressing Karna as Sutaputra.
Okay.
Sutaputra in the sense he is telling this in anger.
Okay.
He is not directly addressing the sin. From the beginning, Karna is the competitor to him. That's what Arjuna thought.
But his, what do you call
After
that?
giving, after 11th chapter, after giving Divya Chakshu, that is Divya Drishti by Lord, afterwards he lost his Gnana Drishti. Why he lost, Mataji? Why it is
No, Mataji.
here?
Jnana Chakshu is given only to see the Lord. Jnana Chakshu does not
So he
mean
is
that.
seeing Lord. He is seeing Lord. But why he is addressing Bhishma Drona? It's correct. Okay, let us accept. But he is addressing Karna as Sutaputra.
Why not? What else? Sutra here is that Varnashrama Dharma. Whoever has got the Whoever has got that
Mataji,
tamoguna.
in next verses, Bhagavan says Karna, but Arjuna from the beginning he will address him as Sutaputra only. He will not call his name.
Okay, Mataji. Because see, for the Lord, everybody is equal. Samam Sarveshu Bhuteshu. But for Arjuna,
That's why
his
Arjuna.
lineage, number one, Karna's lineage is not revealed. Number one. Number two, he is always, Karna is considered to be always in, what do you call that, Tamoguna. Tamoguna, what is the definition
He's
for
having a
Tamoguna?
profession. No, Arjuna is having a professional jealousy towards Karna.
We can't say that, Mataji. We can't conclude that way. Because Arjuna will say, I am no competitor to him. He will claim that only, no. Why will Arjuna consider him as his competitor, you tell me?
No, Arjuna is actually he is also a great warrior, no Mataji.
Yeah,
He's
he's
also
a
like
great warrior. But
Dhanurdhari. He's also like him, but he's a Dhanurdhari. So that's
yes,
why from the beginning itself he thought he is a competitor to him. That's why he was very jealous about Karna. That is one part. And after giving Divya Chakshu, so his Gnana Chakshu is still it is lamenting.
no, Mataji. That Divya Chakshu cannot be highlighted here, I am saying. The reason being, Divya Chakshu is only for seeing the Lord's form, not for seeing others or considering. It's not the wisdom. Divya Chakshu is not a wisdom, Mataji. It's a divine Chakshu which the Devatas, what all they can do, what are all the qualities Devatas have got, no? So it is compared with the Deva Chakshu.
Agree, Mataji. But why he lost afterwards also? Why he lost that? Why he is having that Swadarmaniti? Still
Okay, that can be fine. No, it's okay. No problem for him. Because as you say, we cannot conclude it is because of, what do you call that, competition, I am saying. That's all. He considered always him as one level lower to him only, not equal to him.
Okay. And another question to you is in the slide, the universal form text 33. So I saw that scientists say perhaps or maybe, but all are both foolish ideas. That's what I saw after sign of intelligence. 11.33 Mataji. Slide is there. Savyasachi, Bhagavan is there. One image is there. Image of Bhagavan. Savyasachi is there. Nimitta Matram is there. Yes, this slide exactly. Here it is scientists say perhaps or maybe or but or all are foolish ideas. That's what it is written here. So I would like to quote something here about scientists. According to one famous verse, that is 32nd famous verse, that is Kalosmi Loka Kshayakrit Pravruddho. That's what it is written in 32nd verse. That right, no, Mataji?
Yes.
So it was actually agreed by a scientist called Open Hemisphere. So after the 1945 atom bomb detonate happens in Mexico, he only quote that verse. He agreed to that verse. He agreed. You cannot say scientists, perhaps, maybe. Scientists also agreed.
Yes, correct.
Scientists, and
Correct,
one thing,
Mataji.
and another thing, here I am quoting you again. In 12th verse, Divi Surya Sahasrasya Bhaved Yugapavat Upastitaha. That's what it is quoting 12th verse, same chapter, 12th verse. It says skies, thousands of suns. So the Lord effulgence is like thousands of suns. That's what Arjuna says. Right, Mataji? In 12th verse.
Yes, Mataji. Sahasra is
And
1000.
regarding this also, NASA clarified there are lot of stars like suns. Even thousands of suns can be hide in the stars. Thousands of suns are there in the cosmos. That's what stated in previous month. NASA also agreed this verse. 12th verse.
Yeah,
Now you cannot say scientists maybe or perhaps. Scientists also agreed to few verses of the Bhagavad Gita. That especially the opulence of the Lord and as well as the Vishwarupa Darshana is with respect to Vishwarupa Darshana. Few scientists have agreed and they have quoted the verses also, Mataji. That is my opinion.
Mataji. If you know, that is why it is given maybe. because it's not become a universal truth. Is it not? Universal fact. It has not been approved or accepted by everybody, no. So maybe, see, we go, like, I'm not able to stop the live also today. We'll discuss this tomorrow, Mataji, okay?
Okay, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Today, because I'm going live with my laptop, no, unable to stop it.
Thank you. Hare
And,
Krishna.
yeah. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Vancha Kalpatarupasakatana Bhavnibhyo, Vaishnavibhyo Namo Namaha, Anantakoti Vaishnavindi ki jai. Yes,
Jai.
can we? Hare Krishna. Can we end the
Hare
meeting?
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare,
Krishna, Hare
Hare
Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna. Thank you so much for attending. Thank you very much.
Hare
I'm
Krishna.
sorry.